Times today. We've got Alpesh Patel with us, Chief Executive of Profinium Partner, a private equity company in London.
British company with a Luxembourg fund, so we're dual regulated.
So this is really important to you.
This is phenomenal news. Now the rest of the world,
if it's actually true.
Well, sanity is prevailing by the looks of it. You know what we've all been saying in business is surely, despite Brexit, both sides will realise what's in their mutual interest. Last week I was speaking at Borsa Italiana, the Italian stock exchange. It's owned by the London Stock Exchange. Look at how intertwined we are with Europe. If tiny minnows of asset management companies like mine are going to become billion-dollar companies, we need this kind of access. We need these regulations to be reduced. This looks like sanity has prevailed.
Is this, when we talk about UK companies having access, is this financial services industry we're talking about here? We're not talking about trade, are we?
No, well, it comes into trade figures because we're exporters. My company exports its financial services.
Absolutely.
But the reason financial services is so important is, and your viewers might think, well, why does this matter? Actually, it contributes disproportionately to the GDP of the UK and of so many European economies. Just the nature of the business, because we're in the money business, we pay disproportionately more in terms of tax. Our employees are paid more than the average employee, so they pay more tax, so it's good for the economy.
Just explain how this would work, because there's a certain phrase, isn't
there's
there,
a principle. Yeah, there's
business as usual.
It's business as usual because the principle is one of what's called equivalence in regulation. In other words, look, your regulations might be slightly different to mine, but they're fairly equivalent. We don't need to look at the minutiae. We've got roughly the same financial systems. Therefore, if you're coming from Britain into France, we know there isn't that much of a difference, so you're welcome to continue doing business. And it really is fantastic news for small companies like mine.
So news, it's reports at the moment, and we shall let you know as soon as there's confirmation. Thank you, Alpesh, for now. Alpesh is